yesterday with my cousin and my friend. The other one just went with his mom. Hey, don't blame me. I think he's playing Stila Bring. You guys like Grove Garden? It's not even okay.
There's a 99 cents.
We're gonna
Damn,
try
that's a
this.
lot of money.
It's $8.99.
This girl won't let me wear my clothes. No. She's always laying in my things.
So we're gonna try some gummies.
She's a rat. Ain't no way. Oh, what the heck? Wait. What the heck?
Kill one.
I'm scared. Why am I scared? I don't know what these are.
Well, you already tried these. That's why it's kind of empty. Mira, chicle, ¿qué es dulce? Fruta. Si tú no puedes comer dulce, sí, bueno. ¿Qué razón? No tiene nada de vida. Ya te gusta lo que quieras, ¿verdad? A mí también, porque es para engañar a mí, porque así
I don't get to stay up until 3 a.m.
Okay, we're just eating some gum.
Okay. You want to see a photo real quick?
Es su gato. Es su gato. Es su gato, mira.
La más chiquita.
Here.